Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss now the day 3 of Science 10 Term 1 Week 8 applications of endothermic and exothermic processes. Objectives: explain the importance of endothermic and exothermic processes in agriculture, industry, and everyday life. Create an informative application card showing the type of energy change, its usefulness, and the sustainable practice connected to it. And appreciate the role of chemistry in improving daily life while protecting resources and the environment. For motivational activity, where does the energy go? Station walk. So movement-based application sorting challenge. Prepare for station labels around the classroom. We have 1 farm, station 2 factory, station 3 kitchen, station 4 community life. Prepare application cards containing the following. Number 1, plants using sunlight to produce food. Producing ammonia for fertilizers. Boiling pasta for dinner. Burning charcoal for grilling. So using an instant cold pack during a sports game. Cellular respiration in the body. Baking bread in an oven. Fireworks during a community celebration. Directions: each learner receives 1 application card. Learners move to the station where their example is most closely connected. At each station, learners decide whether each card describes an endothermic or exothermic process. Each station selects 1 learner to briefly explain 1 classification. Okay, suggested classification. And plants using sunlight, that is farm. O, classification is endothermic. Ammonia production sa factory yan. Exothermic. Boiling pasta, that is in kitchen, endothermic process. Burning charcoal, community life or in kitchen, pwede rin yan sa farm. Exothermic. Instant cold pack, that is community life, endothermic. Cellular respiration, community life, exothermic. Baking bread, that is kitchen, endothermic process. Fireworks, community life, that is exothermic. Okay, scenario from farm to family table. A farming community experienced a low crop yield during the previous season. To help improve plant growth, farmers used nitrogen-containing fertilizer produced from ammonia at the same time. They planted vegetable crops in an open field where sunlight was abundant. After harvest, a family cooked the vegetable in rice using an energy-efficient stove and covered pots to reduce cooking time. Okay, for guide questions, what industrial substance mentioned in the scenario is used in producing fertilizers? Okay, that is ammonia. Yan. What type of reaction is involved in the formation of ammonia in the Haber-Bosch process? Okay, the formation of ammonia is exothermic because heat is released. Okay, number 3. Why is photosynthesis classified as endothermic? Okay, photosynthesis is endothermic because plants absorb light energy to produce glucose and oxygen. How is cooking connected to heat absorption? Cooking requires food to absorb heat so that changes in texture and composition can occur. Okay, number 5. What responsible practice in this scenario reduces energy use during cooking? Okay, using an energy efficient stove and covering pots reduce cooking time and energy consumption. How do chemistry and sustainability work together in this scenario? So chemistry helps produce fertilizers and prepare food, while sustainable practices reduce energy waste and environmental impact. Okay, for discussion, industry ammonia production. Ammonia is manufactured from nitrogen and hydrogen through the Haber-Bosch process. Yan, ito yung pinaka-chemical equation niya. Nitrogen gas combines with hydrogen gas, resulting to ammonia plus heat. This reaction is exothermic because heat is produced. Ammonia is useful because it is used in manufacturing fertilizers. Fertilizers help crops obtain the nitrogen needed for healthy growth. Sustainable improvements in ammonia production may include cleaner hydrogen production, renewable energy use, improved catalyst, and reduced emission. So in agriculture, that is photosynthesis. Ito yung pinaka-equation niya. Photosynthesis is endothermic because plants absorb light energy. It is important because it produces glucose used by plants, releases oxygen that is being used by humans and animals, supports food production, yun, and helps remove carbon dioxide. Okay, in daily life, that is cooking food. Cooking food requires heat absorption. Pasta absorbs heat from boiling water. Eggs absorbs heat as proteins change. And bread absorbs heat during baking. Responsible energy practices include covering pots, yan para mas mabilis yung pagluluto. Measuring only the water needed. Avoiding unnecessary reheating. And using efficient appliances and reducing food waste. Chemistry in action, application card challenge, activity description. Okay, you will create a one-page information card that connects an endothermic or exothermic process to a real-life application. Your output should show not only the scientific explanation, but also how the process can be practiced or improved responsibly. Okay, materials, short bond paper or notebook page, coloring materials, pencil or pen, and ruler. Assigned or chosen topics, choose one topic. Photosynthesis and crop production, number 1. And number 2, ammonia production and fertilizers. Number 3, cooking rice or pasta. Number 4, instant cold packs in sports injuries. Burning charcoal or LPG for cooking. Cellular respiration during physical activity. Number 7, baking bread. Number 8, fireworks and community celebration. Create an application card containing the following section. Section 8, title and illustration. Write a creative title and draw a simple illustration representing the chosen process. Example, title, The Sun-Powered Crops, Photosynthesis at Work. Section B, state whether the process is endothermic or exothermic. Station C, the energy explanation. Write 3 to 4 sentences explaining, number 1, where the energy comes from. Number 2, whether the energy is absorbed or released and what happens during the process. Okay, section D, importance to society. Write at least 2 benefits or uses of the process in agriculture, industry, health, or daily life. The section E, responsible practice, provides 2 practical ways the process may be made safer, cleaner, less wasteful, or more energy efficient. Section F, energy arrow, draw 1 correct energy representation. For an endothermic process, reactants plus energy resulting to products. For an exothermic process, reactants resulting to products plus energy. And sample output content guide, chosen topic, photosynthesis and crop production, photosynthesis and crop production, classification, endothermic. Energy explanation, plants absorbs light. This energy is used to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. Since energy enters the plant system, photosynthesis is classified as endothermic. Importance, produces food for plants and supports crop growth. Releases oxygen needed by living organisms. Responsible practice, conserve water used for crop irrigation. Protects soil and plant more trees or crops. Yan, rubric.